Wherever zulm is happening, we have raised our voices. And we want the world to stand with us and raise their voices for the Muslims of Parachinar. Let them know that they are not alone. We are standing with them. We will do what is best to try to support them. And for the support of the people of Parachinar, on the 8th of August, Thursday, the 8th of August, a protest has been arranged by Georgi Majid with peace journeys, global peace journey, and inshallah outside the Consulate of Pakistan, we will raise our voices in Bradford to tell the people of the world that we, the Shia of Amir al-Mu'mineen, we stand against all sorts of terrorism, injustices that are happening in the world, and we will give proof that we are standing with the people of Parachinar. With the loudest of your voices, I want you to raise your voices so that people can hear and understand that the people of Wakefield are standing with the people of Parachinar, and wherever in the world injustice is taking place, Labbaik Ya Hussain!
Labbaik Ya Hussain!
Louder than that, Labbaik Ya Hussain!
Labbaik Ya Hussain!
Labbaik Ya Hussain!
Labbaik Ya Hussain!
So I hope to see you on Thursday, the 8th of August, outside the Pakistani Consulate from 12 till 1:30. This protest has been organized by Georgi Majid. Global Peace Journey, inshallah, give your proof of being a Shia of Amir al-Mu'mineen by attending this protest.